1. The dispensing accuracy system is equipped with high-precision electronic scale imported from Germany. The whole process of dispensing is controlled by computer, which eliminates the influence of human factors and greatly improves the rate of first-class products. 2. Process cohesion, reliability, and stability improvement system, which records all the relevant data of fragrance deployment to ensure the process cohesion, reliability, and stability. 3. Computer database for formula inventory management system can quickly and accurately query the historical formula data, quickly make a production plan, greatly improve the production efficiency so that the production process is easy to manage. 4. Increasing production flexibility and practicality of the system has the very high flexibility in configuration, can, according to the company's production process and production environment and the actual needs of customers, quickly adjust production process parameters, production quickly, and can be calculated according to the size of the order through software requirements by how much we do use production, as you want to do. 5. Reduce the cost of computer calculation formula, flavors liquid material dosage, not only improve the work efficiency and control the consumption, can reduce more than 15% of the waste. Operator requirements reduced by 30%. The stability of product quality is improved and the rejection rate is greatly reduced. 6. Environmental protection to reduce waste, clean working environment, less pollution. 6. Environmental protection to reduce waste, clean working environment, less pollution.